Yes, mga ka-person. Ganyan yung Giingong balay.
So this is the notice from the AMLAC that this particular property is being subject for freezing. So this is based on the freeze preservation order issued by the Court of Appeals in favor of the government. So ini is a local drug cartel property na among gi-freeze na. So we are with us today with PIDEA, the Chief of Police of Consolacion, and the former Chief of Police of Consolacion who happens to operate this particular. Okay? So among ibutang, and then I'll brief you on. Okay? Ano na natin? Dire mo, dire. Wala kayong flies.
Ano yan?
Ayun.
Ano ni mga ka-firza ang kaning Giingong nga propiedad sa drug lord.
Ikot sa kanila freeze yung property. Dari ni siya sa Consolation.
Ano yung utang ni sa Consolation, Cebu. Hindi na
Albert na Pedro Manusal, ang official sa Anti-Money Laundering Council AMLAC higala o sa Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency PIDEA na diri sa Director
mo ni ang atong kuan mga ka-fir sa ang hiniusa nga pag butang o ano natong pahibalo notice to the public alang sa ang pag-iya sa drug inatang na nakip sa lambigitan sa iligal nga drogas ang ilaha karong gipatangan og police order diin wala na kita ni notice to the public this property is subject of a preservation order issued by the Court of Appeals in favor of the government mga kaigsunan.
sa mga
Ang area din sa lungsod sa Consolacion.
Sige, habang I could brief you now, ha? Okay? Ward, discuss the video. This activity is about the freezing of assets relative to the drug trafficking activities of Rostico, Ripuela, Igot, and Jocelyn in Sila. Sometimes in 2010, the group of Igot was arrested by PIDEA 7. So, nagkaroon ng follow-up. This is a case that resulted from the collaboration between the Philippine National Police, Regional Police Office 7, and the Anti-Money Laundering Council and PIDEA. So, kaubana mo diri ang PIDEA all throughout. It stemmed from the successive bypass operation conducted by joint elements of Cebu City Police Office and the Consolacion Police Station, Cebu, in the early morning of 03 March, murag 1 year na ugma. Sa 19 Ilmar Ancahas. The operation resulted in the recovery of shabu weighing a total of 10 kilograms, worth 68 million pesos, from Insila, and 17.6703 kilograms, worth pesos. Investigation, the two are members by Rustico, Ripuela, Igot. Remember, Igot was arrested by PIDEA, and when he was incarcerated, he was a literal degree in drug trafficking kasi itong mga Chinese. And then when he was convicted, transferred to the New Bilibid prison in Bureau of Correction, he again have a lot of contacts. So yun yung nangyari, no? It turned out that during the investigation, the two are members of the drug syndicate headed by Rustico Ripuela. The latter is an inmate serving sentence in the National Bilibid Prison for drug trafficking in 2010 in Bohol and was perpetrating drug distribution through the use of cell phones. Remember that we have this synchronized, simultaneous Greyhound last Saturday. Di kauban mo, di ba? So that's the big reason why we will with this cleansing of our jails. The common law relation he has a common law relationship with Insila. Has been religiously my predecessors, especially my our mentor, yung NDRPO regional director ngayon, si Gerald Sinas. He was really the instrument why this freezing was achieved. So if you have a question, the PDME and the Chief of Police are here, and saan yung spokesman ng AMLAC? Attorney. So the spokesman of AMLAC is here so that to shed light on whatever inquiry you want to ask. Basically, the purpose of this is for the local drug syndicate not to use this anymore. Because if they will be able to use this, they could be used for like their legal lawyers to defend themselves and fight it out in the legal system with